In the last episode, we left the stunning Murlough Bay in the northwest of Northern Ireland. Today, we are continuing west along the breathtaking coastal road, with our sights set on Donegal, our destination, the wild and beautiful Innishowen Peninsula.
White Park Bay Viewpoint. Absolutely gorgeous.
Welcome to Dunluce Castle, one of Northern Ireland's most iconic and breathtaking landmarks. Located on the edge of a dramatic basalt cliff, this medieval castle offers a window into the past, with stories of battles, legends, and royal intrigue. Built in the 13th century, Dunluce Castle has witnessed centuries of history. This ancient ruins stands as a testament to the resilience and beauty of Irish heritage. Explore the castle ruins, where every stone tells a story. Wander through the remains of the Great Hall, the kitchen, and the storied towers that have stood the test of time. And don't miss the breathtaking views of the North Atlantic and the surrounding countryside. It's easy to see why this location was chosen for such a grand fortress. As you go through these ancient grounds, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The castle history is steeped in mystery and legends, including tales of banshees and ghostly apparitions that still capture the imagination of visitors today. Whether you are a history lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply in search of stunning scenery, Dunluce Castle is a must-see destination. His dramatic settings and rich history make it one of Ireland's true treasures. We are keep going our way to the west.
Hello there, how's it going? How much is it?
One way or?
One way, yeah.
€12.
12 euros.
As we sail on the ferry, on the right we have Northern Ireland, and on the left we have the Republic of Ireland.
It looks like the shower has passed, which is wonderful for welcome meet Atlantic Wildway. Look at this road. I love it. I don't know where it's going, but I love it. Oh yes, yes. Oh, whoa, whoa, this is getting interesting. I'm having the time of my life. Come on! Yes! I am sweating already. Were you asking for attention? Here you are, in the middle of nowhere.
Sometimes the best option is to turn back.
Atlantic Wild Way, yes! Oh, road! Road! I feel so happy! So happy! Oh, yes! Thank you. Nice one, beauty.
Well, today, after my off-road adventure, it took me a long time to find accommodation. Finally, I got this B&B, but all this time that I was looking for, it was pissing rain, so I am completely wet. All my gear and everything. This is the first time I have to use the full rain gear, and at least it was working properly. But I am exhausted. It's exhausted. It's 7 p.m. and I think I'm going to bed already. 4 days in the north, now in Donegal. I'll see you tomorrow.